Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll teach you how to build the Armadillo for Minecraft. This is the second candidate for the mob vote, and it's currently not yet in Minecraft. That was a bit of a typo for me. One cool thing about the Armadillo is, just like its Minecraft counterpart and real life counterpart, this Armadillo can turn back into a ball, but this one is sort of like a rectangle, but it's square enough in order to be accurate to the Minecraft version. As you can, let me just move it up a bit. Yeah, see? It's like cool and stuff. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, now that that's complete, let's go ahead and assemble the armadillo. We first start off with this part, and we attach it like so. But now we take off the armadillo head from this point. Now we extend this kind of neck thingy like so, and we combine the front body of the armadillo with the back body. So it's gonna look like this. Whoops. It usually holds better. Okay. Now we take the armadillo head, and I'm gonna have to flex it a bit in order to get it up the right way. And there. The armadillo from the Minecraft mob vote. This is just a candidate. And honestly, even though I'm not on the armadillo side, I'd still be pretty happy with the fact that it getting voted. But that might change. All like the mob vote candidates this year are much better than ever. So yeah, share this video with your friends, because this armadillo mob should really be known about. It's just a really good mob in general, and I'll see you guys in the next video.